Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to change your default browser in Windows 11 PC. In order to do that, simply click on the Start menu, then click on Settings. On the Settings, click on Apps. Here now you need to click on Default Apps to select the particular browser you want to make the default browser in your Windows 11 PC. For instance, if you wish to make your Google Chrome the default browser, you have to just simply click on this Google Chrome right now, and on this very area you can just click on Set Default. With this, the Google Chrome browser is now set as the default browser in your Windows 11 PC. If you wish to change it to another one, you can just, for instance, if it is Firefox, you just simply click on this Firefox. Now you click on Set Default. This is just the simple way you can set any browser as the default in your Windows 11 PC. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like it, subscribe to this channel, and you can super chat us in this particular channel to appreciate us. Thank you so much.